Hey guys, Noah Madar here, again you Destiny Traders. Today I want to talk with you about Amazon stock and Facebook stock. Which one to buy, which one to invest to the long term, and which one will give you more money in the future. So stay with us. Hey guys, Noah Madar here. As I said in the promo, today I want to talk with you about Facebook stock and Amazon stock. Which one is better to buy for the future, which one will make the highest ROI, which one will be with the highest market cap after, let's say, 2 to 3 years, which one is better to invest and to get more return, the growth will be higher, which one is better. Okay, I'm not going to talk about Google, I'm not going to talk about Netflix. I know there's the FANG, but today I want to talk about Facebook and Amazon. If you saw my other videos, you saw that I already talked about these stocks from time to time. I talk about Amazon more even than in Facebook. Facebook is one that I like in the last few months. So today I want to talk about them. That's the first thing. So before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will very help me and Or to grow the channel and make us better and bigger. So let's start with Facebook. Alright, Facebook, if we are talking right now, alright, in July 2019, the smartest thing to talk about first is the Libra coin. Libra coin, the new cryptocurrency that Facebook developed and should be revolutionary, should change the world. Well, first I am a big fan of the Libra coin. I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin. As I talked in my other video, I have Bitcoin, I'm all in Bitcoin. I bought it about 4 years ago and I got nice revenue from that. But it's more to be a part of something new and technology, not because I really believe in that, but just because it was like something new. But regarding the Libra coin, the reason I believe in that is because it's not some gambling, it's not putting money on something that you don't know what would happen. The Libra coin first, the other partners of Facebook in the developing of Libra coin are MasterCard, Uber, Visa, PayPal and other big companies. So it makes it more legit, right? Like working with MasterCard, Visa and PayPal for something that should be using for payment, it's something smart, strategically, and they have the right information to work with and a big database to do use with that. And also, most important thing regarding the Libra coin is that it should be compared to the dollar. It's going to be like euro to dollar, so it should be Libra to dollar. It means that the standard deviation would be small. It's not gonna go high 10% a day and down 20% a day. It means that regard to the fiat of baskets of coins, they will buy assets as the worth of the movement of the dollar in each day, which is gonna stable the Libra coin, which is very good, and it makes sense. That's how a coin should work. So that's first. I really believe in the Libra coin. It can help the US a lot. There is a reason why they compare it to dollar and not to euro or other coin. I believe it's sort of mission or sort of a plan between the US government and Facebook to, let's say, kill other coins of other countries, because you don't need to change money anymore. All you need to do to pay for someone in India is paying with Libra coin instead of paying with rupee or with dollar or with euro. You can pay with Libra. It's better, it's revolutionary, it's amazing. Other reason why Facebook it's a good company, let's say the IPO of Facebook was the worst. It started at 2012, the price was $36 or $38, something like that. It go up in the first few days, but then it crashed like 40% in, let's say, a few weeks after it started, after the IPO. And it looks like it's gonna be another bubble and Facebook not gonna grow, but it changes a lot. Today the price is more than $200, growth is more than 400% since the IPO, and there's a reason for that. The reports are amazing. They have tons of cash in their account. they don't have debt. Actually, the ratio between cash to debt of Facebook in this day is 41. It means that all the debt they have, they can pay 41 times just to pay. We don't talk about other things. You can do that just to pay the debt. They can do it 41 times. It's very good. It's made them flexible. They can buy other companies. They can grow. They can think about other things. They have a lot to do. They are working amazing. November, December 2018, there was the crash in the market and the price was around $150. If you bought it in this price, you actually make more than 40% in half a year. Amazing number. And with a good company like Facebook, with great data, with great assets, with tons of cash in their account, great company. Another reason to buy Facebook is Instagram. Instagram, the biggest grow social network. Remember, Facebook, the platform, is now not so friendly, not for talk with friends, send things to friends. It's more like to have fun with stuff, to make fun from stuff, selling stuff. The marketplace there is okay, but it's not the main agenda of the company. The Instagram is the biggest or the highest growth in the social network company. And if you talk with every kid and every youth, they always will say, yeah, Snapchat is dead, and Facebook is too boring for us, but Instagram is the next step. So I believe, and remember, Instagram are not too based on ads right now. It's not make some huge amount of money from ads. It's still very youth. It still have where to grow. So Instagram can be the engine for the growth in the future. If I'll go back to the finance, let's compare Facebook, not to Amazon right now, let's compare it to Google, alright? Amazon is something that I want, it's one thing, Google is another thing. Why I want to compare it to Google? Because, right, one is a search engine and the other one is social network, but there is a lot of points to compare between the two. I'm not going to talk about it, let's just see financially what we can see. If we'll talk in valuations, we'll see that Facebook has PE of 25, which is great. It's more cheap than Google. I think it's better. If you'll see my video, which one is better to buy, it is more smart to buy the one that's cheap, right, between the two if you talk about the same industry. And I know they're not in the same industry, but there is comparison, so you can use my video regarding which one to buy between competitors, and you'll see the PE is 25, while in Google it's higher. I believe it's about 30-35, and the PEG is 1.2, while in Google it's 1.6. So look at that. That's a main reason why I so like Facebook. I believe it's better than Google as a stock, and it says a lot. So after we finish talking about Facebook, let's talk about Amazon. Alright? In my other video that I put Amazon under the scope, I talked about that Amazon can get to the $3,000 per share, and I believe it's something that can happen in 1 to 2 years. And I talked about the reasons. Let's go back to this reason. Let's talk about the three business units, the main business units that Amazon have right now. The first is the retail. What we know as Amazon marketplace, we can go and buy stuff and sell stuff. As we know, Amazon, the business retail, which is growing in 4 times more than expected. The second thing, it's Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, the, let's say, membership of being an Amazon buyer or Amazon seller, they always grow. They always try to develop new stuff. If it's Amazon Alexa, books you can lend and give back. Some movies you can loan and watch for a few days. So they always try to develop and to be more, to be renewable and find some new things to do. And now, if you buy something and you have the Amazon Prime, you'll get your stuff in 2 days. But Amazon don't stop in 2 days. They always try to get better, and they try to do it in 1 day, which will make that amazing, alright? If you are a member and you buy stuff and get it in 1 day, it's better like from going to the store. Because if you go to the store and go back, like one day. So it's amazing, they don't stop, they always try to grow. And the third thing, it's the AWS, you know, their activity in the cloud, their Amazon Web Service, where you can rent and cloud and put your company data over there and keep it there. Today it's a business of $7 billion a year. It's profitable, it makes them a profit of $1 billion a year. An operation that is running for less than 10 years. That's amazing. The numbers are great. Amazon is working great. If it's the retail, if it's the Prime, by the way, it was Prime Day a few days ago, and it was like every year, it was the best day they ever had. Every year, Prime Day is better. Even this year, they make it 2 days, and each day was better than other years. It's amazing, they have great results. Disregard the Prime. As I said, I always try to develop some new stuff and do it better. And third thing, the web service, which is now a business of $7 billion a year, which make a profit of more than $1 billion a year. Their PE is 76, it's high, alright? It's higher than Google, higher than Facebook. I know they are not cheap, but if we look at them as a growth company with great potential, 76, it's high, but I'm not trying to compare them in the PE to Facebook. I talk about which one of the stocks will make more money in the future, but regarding the PE, it's not something to consider if we compare Amazon to them. We can compare it to Alibaba, but I have an issue with the Chinese. I believe that Amazon is way better than Alibaba. Also, if we look at the PAG, it's around 2. It's high, but it's also good. Something very good regarding Amazon is, remember, if you buy something in the store, you pay and you get your stuff. But Amazon are working smartly from the side of cash flow. You buy something, you pay right now, they get the money and they will supply it in a few days. Depends, if it's Amazon Prime, it's 2 days, but if you're a customer from other countries and will get it, if you're a customer from other country and you'll get it in 30 days, they have 30 days more time to have the money in their pockets. It's amazing. They have high cash flow. Actually, their cash flow is $23 billion a year. It means they can do tons of things with their free cash flow. They can buy some competitor. They can't have a small competitor, because if someone will come with amazing idea and will be their competitor, they will buy him like that. So they can't have a competitor. So to summarize, Facebook are great, they have Libra, I believe in Libra, I'm a big fan of Libra idea. Amazon have great cash flow, have great three main projects that main business units that are working and make them tons of money. So which one to buy? It's easy, buy both. I'm holding both. I'm holding Amazon for more times. I bought Facebook in the last month, and these two stocks in the next 3 years, they can double themselves. Alright? By the way, I believe Facebook can be biggest tech company in the market, but not yet. It will take time, but they have the potential because of all the data and Instagram. But Amazon, it's great. So buy them both. I'm sure that if not something crazy will happen, you're gonna see great ROI, great return on your investment. So I'm Noam Adar, you're with us in the Traders. If you like this analysis, please subscribe to the channel. If you like what I say, please give me a like. If you didn't like it, you can put the dislike. But very important, comment to this video so I'll know what you think and I can make more videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.